to draw Chucky from Child's Play, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing the famous horror character Chucky, we're going to begin by drawing two lines going up and down in the center of the page. These two lines will be the beginning of drawing the outline of the face. This will be the first step. Nicely done! Next we're going to connect the two top points of the lines that we just drew. We're going to connect these 2 points by drawing the hairline of Chucky. The hair that we draw will be long and will come to sharp points. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot, and I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Fantastic, this is coming along really well. Now let's go ahead and draw the jawline of Chucky. We're going to go ahead and draw a line that will go from left to right towards the bottom points of the two lines that we previously drew. Nice! Now that we have that line drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the hair around the head of Chucky. Be sure to pause or rewind the video if you ever feel like I'm going too fast and you need a couple extra moments to catch up. I was inspired to draw Chucky because he was one of my favorite horror characters when I was growing up. Additionally, they started a new show called Chucky, which now airs on Sci-Fi. I watch this once in a while, and I thought it would be interesting to draw this character. Fantastic! Now that we have the outline of the head drawn, which looks great by the way, we can now go ahead and add some detail to the inside of the face. Let's go ahead and draw two squiggle lines on the left and right hand side of the center of the face. This will be where we make the eyes of Chucky. Attached to each of these curved lines that we just drew, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of the eyes. Now, on the inside of the shapes that we just drew, we can go ahead and draw a smaller circle shape. We'll do this for each of the eyes. On the inside of each of the circles, let's go ahead and draw a small black dot in the center, and we're going to leave a smaller white dot in the center of the black dot. This will help us make the pupils. Whoa, this looks really good. I would even say that the face looks spooky at this point. Now above each of the eyes that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the eyebrows. In between the two eyebrows that we just drew, I'm going to draw a small line going from left to right for a little bit of detail. Right below the line that I just drew, I'm going to go ahead and draw a U line for the nose. And for the final steps, I'm going to draw the mouth of Chucky right below the nose. We're going to draw a curved line with two small curved lines on the edges of that line. Additionally, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple small lines around the mouth for extra detail. This is How to Draw Chucky from Child's Play. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to grow our drawing community together. And next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.